aware here in the audience, there are 3 teams where the DevRel should technically be positioned in, right? So those being the marketing team, the product team, and the engineering team. Usually I see a lot of DevRels being positioned a little bit more in the marketing team, and it's okay as long as the marketing team doesn't cross any boundaries in terms of putting us to be a little bit more salesy or involved in terms of sales processes, right? Together with that, I would say being the product team, it's great because you understand which features are coming out, when are they coming out, what is the purpose of that feature or that particular release, how is that going to impact the community, which campaigns can I actually build to support that feature or release, and what is the best way to actually build here. So this is a good way for you as a DevRel and the dev team to actually be positioned in the company and actually build a feedback loop, also bringing to the product team a summary of what are the pain points, what are the challenges from the community, what can we build in a roadmap to actually help developers to have a better experience when utilizing our product. And then, last but not least, being close to the engineering team is especially great if you're working with documentation, any technical articles or guides, because you can ask them directly and have their input directly as well on how you can actually improve the documentation. Is the language, is the accuracy, is everything here correct? You get to work with them a little bit closer in a faster manner of creating, generating different sample applications, different code snippets, and being able to position yourself, like we were mentioning, so on GitHub in a better way. So creating better packages or sample applications to developers actually build on top of. So understanding that is really great. And my personal favorite is the product. And then top one, the product team, because I like having a little bit more of that feedback loop and metrics data point set. Then the engineering team, because I believe that the developer experience, either in documentation together with the product, are the foundation of any developer relations professional and also community. And last but not least, the marketing team, because this can help us be a little bit more positioned in terms of putting a better foot on the door for building awareness and onboarding developers into our community as well, and also potentially building more events and marketing campaigns that can be beneficial both for the company side and also, let's say, in terms of sales, right? And also in terms of bringing developers to our community.